Hi, my name is Bo, and I'm with a company called Lacuna, and I met Joe, oh goodness, it was probably close to a year ago, and another networking group. We've been networking for a while now, and he did a fabulous talk this morning, and I got a lot out of it. I love the acronyms of the way to speak with people. I'm definitely going to take that with me. I've taken notes of it and I'm going to apply it to my daily things. I knew a lot of what he said, but there was a lot more that he embellished on, which was awesome. So anybody who wants to grow their business, learn about great social skills that are very important when you go and network and develop relationships with other people versus just asking for a sale. Because you really need to develop that relationship, because maybe I don't need your services, but maybe I know a million people who do. So I can be an awesome networking tool for you as well. And that's kind of what I took away from today. It may not be a perfect fit for us, but I can still help you, and you can still help me. So thanks, Joe.